Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What's up? How have you been? I know it's been a long time and I've got something really special for you today. Check this out. I got the brand new DJI Mavic Air Fly More combo. Drone. I hope you enjoyed that and I can promise some amazing cinematographic shots in the coming days. अभी तो थोड़ा experiment कर रहा हूँ, like थोड़ा time लगेगा ड्रोन पे हाथ बैठने के लिए and I need to look for locations where I can fly it आराम से without problems. If you had fun, enjoyed it, make sure you like this video, leave a comment, tell me what you thought and subscribe to the channel. There is going to be some awesome content coming up in the next few days. Bye bye.